Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to explore logical operators in JavaScript. These are the building blocks that help your code make decisions, and trust me, they're simpler than they sound. So let's break them down. So what are logical operators? Well, logical operators are used to combine multiple Boolean expressions and return a single Boolean value. The main logical operators in JavaScript are double ampersand, or logical and, double vertical bar, or logical or, exclamation mark, or logical not. Firstly, let's understand logical and operator. It returns true if both operands are true. Otherwise, it returns false. First of all, let's begin with defining the variables x and y. X equals true, and y equals false. Let's define a variable to store the result. Here we will perform logical and operator. X, double ampersand sing, y, console.log, result. Let's check the results. It returns false, because both the operands are not true. Let's say y equals true. Now the output will be true because both operands are true. These are mostly used in conditional statements. We will cover these topics in upcoming videos. Next up is the OR operator. This one is a bit more forgiving. The expression will return true if either one of the conditions is true. X, double vertical bar, y. X is true and y is false. Let's check the results. So the output is true because the x is true. If I change it to false, the output will be false. At least one operand should be true. Finally, we have the NOT operator. This operator inverts the truthiness of the expression. If something is true, this operator will make it false, and vice versa. Let's declare a variable start. Set it to false. Console.log, not, start. So the output will be true. This is saying that the variable is not true. It's actually not true, so it returns true. If I set it to true, the output will be false, and vice versa. And there you have it. Logical operators in JavaScript might seem tricky at first, but with a little practice, you'll find they're incredibly powerful tools for making your code smarter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any tutorial. Thanks for watching.